Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for banana nut muffins. Now they're not just any muffins, they are the healthy version of banana nut muffins. They do not skimp on flavor and they are absolutely delicious. So let's go over the ingredients and let's just jump right on into it. Okay guys, as always you're going to preheat your oven. Preheat it to 350 degrees. Now what you're going to need is you're going to need some bananas. Now these bananas were pretty ripe. They were starting to turn black, so they're perfect for this recipe. You're going to need some honey. You're going to need some nuts. Now I'm using pecans. You can use any type of nut that you want. You can use sunflower seeds if that's your jam, but just go ahead and use the unsalted and untoasted. You're going to need oat flour, vanilla, vinegar, oil, and you're going to need peanut butter powder, flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Alright guys, what we're going to do is just going to go ahead and smash your bananas. You want them as well smashed as you can get them. And the more ripe they are, the better they are and easier they are to smush. Now if you want a little bit more of a bite to it, you can go ahead and just leave it here, because as I've got a little bit of chunks of banana, but I'm going to go a little bit smaller. Just smush these up a little bit more, and that looks good. Okay guys, now you're going to add your oil. Now I'm using olive oil because I love the flavor that it gives to these muffins, but you can use any oil that you want: avocado oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, either one, doesn't matter. Go ahead and add in your vanilla, your vinegar, and just give this a little mix. Now you're going to add in your oat flour. Now what I've done here is I just put a cup of oats into my Ninja and just blitzed it up until it was really smooth. So I'm just going to add that in. Now I'm going to add in the rest of my ingredients. Give this a mix. Make sure everything is well mixed. Now you're going to add in your honey. I'm going to add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Just depends on how sweet you want it. But just remember that the bananas are very sweet. So I'm just going to add in 2 tablespoons along with my pecans. And then just give this a mix. Make sure it's well incorporated. I like to use an ice cream scoop. This is a 3 tablespoon measure. Just any one that you want. You can make large muffins, small muffins, whatever you desire. So I'm going to get my pan. And a silicone muffin pan. If you don't have one of these, you can just pop some liners into your muffin pan and you're good to go. So we're just going to fill these up. About 3/4 of the way up, because they are going to rise slightly because of the flour. Now you're just going to put these in a 350 degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, just until they're lightly golden brown on top and they're cooked completely through. Okay guys, I've got them out of the oven and they're cooling. They've been cooling for about 10 minutes or so. And I've just got one on my plate here. This is what it looks like. Now it's not going to rise like a normal muffin. It's not going to get that poofy rounded top on on it. But they're still really good. Now I like to put peanut butter or something like that on the top of them. So I either use peanut butter or Biscoff. Either one of these are good. This is the Crazy Richards brand. I love this because there's absolutely nothing in here but peanuts. It's gluten-free, no GMOs, vegan, all the good stuff. And then Biscoff cookie butter. This is also really good, and I love it. I love both of these on this. So whichever one you prefer. I'm just going to do plain peanut butter today. And I just use maybe about a teaspoon or so. And I just put that right on the top of it, just for some extra fat. And that's pretty much all you're going to need. They're really, really flavorful. And they're really, really soft. And then they've got that slight crunch with the nuts in there. They're really good. So good. I like having these on hand in the morning. I just let them cool completely, and then I store them in a container in the refrigerator, and I just pop them out in the morning and either put them in the oven or in the microwave, whichever is easier for you. And then just heat them up, put a little butter on top, or excuse me, peanut butter on top, and you're good to go. It's a really good breakfast. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.